Hello and welcome to Financeable. On this new video on how to log in into Invesco mutual fund login. So if you are new here, subscribe and press the notification bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming further videos. Now let's get started. So first you need to open the web browser. In the top of the web browser there is a search bar. Click on the search bar and type Invesco mutual fund login and click enter in the keyword. After that the search result will be shown to you, and when you see the login text and there is Invesco mutual fund, then you just need to click on that search result. In my screen, that is the first search result, and you will be sent or directed to their login portal. And after that you just need to enter your username and you need to enter your password, and if you want to change your password, then right next to login button there is change password option. Just click on the change password and you will be able to change the password, and just enter the password that you have just changed and click on the login button. And after that you will be able to log in into Invesco mutual fund account. So this is how you can easily log in into Invesco mutual fund accounts. If this video was helpful to you, give a thumbs up button. Thank you.